Hello everyone, and welcome. Today I want to discuss how you can follow a Mediterranean-style diet without breaking the bank. As we all know, the rising costs of food have made healthy eating more challenging for many. But the Mediterranean diet doesn't need to be out of reach. As its name implies, the Mediterranean diet originated from the traditional foods and lifestyles of countries like Italy, Greece, and Spain. At its core are lots of plant-based foods, vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, nuts and seeds. Olive oil is the primary source of fat. Fish, poultry and eggs provide protein in moderation. Red meat is rarely consumed. While this diet is widely recognized for its health benefits, many believe it's too expensive to follow. However, with a few adjustments, you can adopt Mediterranean principles without spending a fortune. Here are some of my tips. Focus on beans, lentils and chickpeas. These inexpensive legumes are packed with fiber and protein to keep you full for hours. You can even blend them into shakes if you prefer. Bulk buy staples whenever possible. Look for discounts at warehouse stores on items like brown rice, quinoa, oats and nuts. Portion and freeze smaller amounts so you always have them on hand. Take advantage of sales cycles. Many supermarkets rotate sales on a monthly schedule. Make a list of Mediterranean staples and stock up when the price is right. Things like fresh produce, canned tuna and salmon are easy to freeze. Don't overlook frozen and canned goods. While fresh is best, frozen and canned vegetables retain many nutrients and often cost less than fresh out of season. Canned beans, tomatoes and tuna are healthy pantry staples too. Try ethnic markets for olive oil and dried goods. Places specializing in Mediterranean ingredients frequently offer better prices on staples like olives, olive oil and nuts compared to mainstream grocery stores. Mix it up seasonally. Produce that's in season is less expensive and often even tastier. Focus your menu around affordable vegetables, fruits and proteins that are readily available each month. Utilize your kitchen tools. A slow cooker, food processor, blender and instant pot allow you to prepare healthy dishes with minimal effort and hands-on time. This saves money compared to eating out or pre-made options. I hope these suggestions provide a helpful starting point for adapting the Mediterranean diet to your budget. Please share any other money-saving strategies you found work well in the comments below. With some planning, it is absolutely possible to follow this healthy eating pattern affordably.